Welcome to my channel, Growing with Grace Homestead, from the garden to the jars, and it is cold out here. I want to tell you how we feed our ducks. Not much. As you see here, this is where I have a tree company come in and they dump all these wood chips down here. And over the years, it has really, I mean, you could dig a shovel right down in. There's a lot of grubs down in there and worms, and they will feed on this also. The other thing, like in the pond area and stuff, they will eat on the sidewalls, any like tadpoles, algae. I'm trying to think what else. You know, what else? They've even eaten small frogs before.
Bugs.
All kinds of, yeah, bugs. And so they get plenty to eat. They get plenty to eat. But when winter comes and the ground is covered with snow, it does make it more difficult for them. Then I will give them some, what they call, I buy flock feed. So flock feed is a variety, it's for chickens and ducks and geese. And probably at that time, they probably only eat about 6 cups for, I got 13 ducks, I lost track, yeah. 13 or 14 ducks. And so with that many ducks, they'll probably eat about 6 cups of feed. In the summertime, I feed them all kinds of things from the garden. I got the garden right next to the, you know, to the pen here. And they'll eat all kinds of greens and vegetables and fruit. And the other thing that's good is in my yard here, you probably won't be able to see it here. But, oh, look what we have. We got a statue over here. This is Callie, guys. Hey, Cal. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Are you guarding the geese? Huh? Are you guarding the geese? Huh? Yeah. What I have planted in the duck and geese yard here, I have fruit trees. I have a total of 10 fruit trees. And of course, Greg and I can't eat that many fruit off the trees. So we do give a lot, we will be giving a lot of it to the Amish around here. I'll take what I want and can. And the reason why I put the fruit trees inside the duck kennel, and I do have cages around the trunks so they don't, you know, eat the bark off and stuff like that. The fruit will drop on the ground, and any fruit that drops on the ground, these guys will keep that all cleaned up for me. All right. Here's the old saying, get your ducks in a row. So they're probably going to be going in looking for feed because I'm going to be putting the chickens in here at night, and then that's when they'll get some of their feed. All right, well, thank you for joining me here on Growing with Grace Homestead, from the garden to the jars. And I'm out. Thank you. Take care.